We're here at Playing Pay, one of my absolute favorite events in the year, where we are literally all about getting children and their families ready to go to kindergarten. This is a really big moment in a family's life.
This is so exciting that our event that started from just wouldn't it be great to have something like this at the museum to this magical day, and now 2 days.
It's a great foundation for students, great assurance for the parents to really understand the nuances of what kindergarten is going to look like, and being well prepared, it provides a great level of assurance that their kids are in great hands with BCPS and our partners.
There are so many different tables that are fun and exciting. Of course, I love the model classroom that helps kids feel what it feels like to be in kindergarten.
We're so excited to be here from Joe DiMaggio Children's Hospital. We believe that kids should be able to play and thrive, and so we're so excited to be here today with Early Learning Coalition.
What's so powerful about this event is you have partners from all around Broward County who are all focused on one important thing: welcoming our families to kindergarten and making sure they are ready.
Actually see it come to life like this. We couldn't have done it without the great partnership we have with the Museum of Discovery and Science and so many other wonderful community partners and funders that made this day possible.